Here is how to make an oral rehydration salt mixture at home, as recommended by the World Health Organization. Get 1 litre or 34 ounces of safe drinking water or lightly salted rice water. Add half a teaspoon of salt, and 6 teaspoons of sugar. Drink this to help you avoid getting dehydrated if you have diarrhea or you are throwing up or vomiting. If the diarrhea or vomiting does not slow down in 24 hours, see a doctor to get help. Before you drink the mixture, make sure that you shake it so that everything dissolves in the water. Thank you for watching.